Hello, in today's lesson, you are going to be learning how to locate providers for families and how to help them locate a provider based on the services that they are looking for and that has been decided on by the ISP team. You're going to start by going to hhcsis.state.pa.us. Once the screen logs, you're going to scroll to the bottom. Under Bureau of Autism BAS, you're going to click on Provider Directory. You can start by searching by provider or service, complete catalog of providers, complete catalog of services. Okay, so some families may already know what they want. If they don't, you can do the complete catalog for them. We're not going to search by the name, we're going to search by the service name. The service names have been updated in the system and they are not the same as they were about a year ago. So when we're looking for one-on-one services, we're going to look for specialized skill development and click select. You're going to search within a 15-mile radius of the consumer's home, and you're going to want to put their address into the system. The way you can find this information is by going to HISCIS, logging in to the system, going to Individual, Demographics, ALTID, and entering their name into the system. This is where you'll be able to then go to the top and click address and find the address for the consumer. You can either copy and paste the address or you can write it in. So we're going to go back to the screen where we're going to look for services and we're going to put his zip code in and click continue. This is taking longer than usual, but it should load. These are all of the one-on-one providers in your consumer's area within a 15-mile radius. What you can do is you can scroll to the bottom and click print. You can then, if you have this option on your computer, you can click microprint to PDF, which will change this document to a PDF file. Once this is transferred to the PDF file, you can find the consumer's name that you have listed here. Double click their name. You can save this as CS Services Mikkel Shelton, and then you'll be ready to send this to the family via email or print it out and send it to them via their address. Now you can click out of this screen. We are going to do a new search for another consumer. We'll start by clicking on new search by provider or service. We're not going to do the name, we're going to scroll down here to where it says service name. Scroll down to supported employment because this person is looking for a job coach. Well, actually, they don't have an actual job at the moment. They're looking for a job. And so we're going to go to job career planning. You're going to click on continue. You're going to start by going back to your HISCIS screen, clicking on search, which you got to this by clicking on individual. You're going to enter their name into the system. And then you'll have the address for this consumer. So you clicked on basically individual, demographics, you entered in information, and you clicked on address. So we're just going to go ahead and put 15-mile radius. We're going to put the street address in here. Like I said, you can copy and paste it. It'll copy and paste just fine. And click continue. Once you get the list of the providers, you can again go to the bottom and click print. These are providers within a 15-mile radius of the consumer that can provide career planning, job assessment, job finding, and supported employment. Again, if you want to save this as a PDF file, you can click OK. You're going to go to the consumer's name for this participant in your participant file. You're going to save this as career or whatever works for you. And you're going to click save, and then you can send this information to the family, either printing it out or via email. And this will complete your training.